Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Webflow forms to GA4 conversion tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin tracking Webflow form submissions as conversions in Google Analytics 4, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project where your form is located. Open the page that contains the form you want to track. Select the form element by clicking on it. In the right-hand panel, scroll down to the Settings section. Locate the Form Settings tab. Under the Action field, find the URL where the form data is submitted. Ensure this URL is correctly set to handle submissions. Next, open a new tab and log into your Google Analytics account. Select the property where you want to track the conversions. On the left sidebar, click on Configure, then select Events. In the Events section, click on the Create Event button. Set the event name to something descriptive, such as form_submission. Scroll down to define the event parameters. Under the Matching Conditions, add a condition that best represents your form submission. For example, use the parameter event_name is equal to form_submission. Save the new event and exit the Google Analytics platform. Next, go back to your Webflow project. Open the page where your form is located in the designer mode. Select the form block again and open the form settings. Scroll to the bottom until you see the custom code section. In the custom code area, add a JavaScript snippet to trigger the event on form submission. This script should listen for the form submit event. When the form is submitted, it should send the event to Google Analytics. Use the appropriate function such as tag to ensure it reports accurately. An example of the code might look like this: tag, event, form_submission, event_category, engagement, event_label, contact form. After adding the code, save and publish your changes in Webflow. Finally, test the form submission on your live site to ensure the event is being captured in Google Analytics. Return to Google Analytics and check the real-time reports to see if the form submission is being recorded as an event. You have now successfully set up conversion tracking for Webflow forms using Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.